Hello and welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian and today we're going to be looking at 2014 Toyota 4Runner SR5. This is a 7-passenger 4-door SUV in Blizzard Pearl. Under the hood you'll find a 4-liter V6 riding on top of 20-inch wheels. Some of your great exterior features include your fog lights. On the bottom you got those running boards, turn signals on the side mirrors, power sunroof, and roof rails. But now why don't we hop inside and see what else this 4Runner has to offer.
Helping us inside is our key fob right here. It's got our lock and unlock button as well as our panic button. We're going to open the driver's side door first, take a look in the front. This 4Runner does come with a smart key system, so if you got your key fob in your pocket, just put your hand right in there and the vehicle will unlock. On the bottom of the door we have some storage space. Above it you have this nice little handle you can grip onto. Right underneath you have your seating presets, and above are your power windows and locks. Next to the door you have your power mirrors as well. 4Runner is equipped with black leather, and underneath you have your automatic seating adjuster buttons. So now why don't we hop inside?
It is a push to start. Just put your foot on the brake and press that start button right there. Taking a look on the left side of the steering wheel first, you got this cluster which will help you navigate through your entertainment display right in the center. You also have your volume options just below that, and on the right you have your hands-free calling, voice recognition system. If you press this display button, that'll help you navigate through your multi-information display right up here. And this 4Runner does only have 99,468 kilometers on it. Lastly, right behind the wheel you do have your cruise control. Now let's move on to our screen here. Right now we're on home. We got this nice little split screen going. If we go ahead and press that, the map will enlarge. This 4Runner does come equipped with navigation. If we press audio, you have your standard AM and FM, of course. You also have a choice between USB and auxiliary or Bluetooth device. Backup camera, nice and clear, of course. Moving down to our climate control settings, it is a dual zone system. You can adjust the temperature to your liking, and the passenger can do so as well. Below that you have your driver and passenger heated and cooled seats, USB and auxiliary, and 12-volt outlet. Some nice storage compartments, a cup holder, another cup holder as well. Center console, lots of room in here. Also features a 12-volt outlet. Close that right up. And lastly, let's take a look in the glove box. Press that button, that'll pop down. Comes with your owner's manual. Plenty of space in there. Let's just close that right up. So before we hop into cargo, let's just take a quick look inside the back. On the bottom of the door you have storage just like the driver's side. More black leather. Behind the driver and passenger seats you do have this little compartments here. In the center you have this nice little armrest that pops down, and if you press that button you got 2 cup holders right in the center there. And lastly, these seats do fold down. Just pull this up and that'll give you access to the 3rd row seating right in the back. Just a few things to show you before we open up the back. On top are those roof rails that we mentioned. The backup camera that's right underneath there. You've got your trailer hitch for all your towing needs, and behind that is your spare tire. So to open up, so you're going to press this button right underneath here. Right now we got that 3rd row seating. Pull these tabs up. The headrest will pop down. And then you pull these up, and then the seats will go right down. Lots of space. We do have some power outlets here, as well as some storage. And the 2nd row seating does fold down as well, and that'll give you some extra space. So to close up, I'm just gonna grab this little handle here that we got on both sides and just give that a nice push. Taking a last look at our 2014 4Runner. Once again, some of your great interior features include your heated seats, hands-free calling, Bluetooth audio, backup camera, and navigation. But there's a whole lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.